In this video, I'll show you how to easily change the language on any iPhone. Be sure to wait until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app, then tap on General. Here, look for the option labeled Language and Region. Once you enter this section, you'll see your preferred language at the top. As you can see, I currently have English and Russian, which is my native language. If you want to add another language, tap on Add Language. From the list, select any language you'd like. For example, let's choose French. After tapping on it, you'll be prompted to decide whether you want to set French as your current system language or keep English while downloading French as well. I'll choose the second option. After a few seconds, you'll see that we now have 3 languages listed. To set any of these languages as your current system language, simply drag it to the top of the list. The first language in the list will automatically become your system language. Now I'm going to set Russian as my system language. A notification will appear indicating that applying these settings will restart your phone. I'll tap Continue. The screen will turn off for a few seconds, and after about 5 to 7 seconds you'll see that the system language has changed to Russian. You can switch it back to English in the same way. And that's how you can easily change the language on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up.